Garrett Lund with the LundTeam here at our beautiful new listing in Rancho Carrillo. This is a must-see. Original owners, they hand-picked this lot. Cul-de-sac location, there's only a few of them. It's got a large, deep, private backyard, and the floor plan is just a knockout. Full bed and bath down. As you open the front door, you've got these soaring, great room ceilings, lots of natural light. There's a great formal living, formal dining. Everything opens up to the kitchen family area, meticulously maintained. Beautiful island kitchen, and you just swing out these doors to the backyard. Unbelievable, it's park-like. Just great grass space, great spots to entertain. Knockout upstairs, more guest rooms. There's also an optional loft area, big master. So this property offers a lot. Rancho Carrillo is a standout community, very low fees, top ranked schools. There's a dynamite community swim center, complex, walking trails, you name it. Come see us here. This is gonna go fast. 760-438-0800. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.